Are you tired of filling in the concrete void left behind when using a screed? Well, Spin Screed's support system can change that. Designed to reduce the fill volume from a traditional pipe support system by over 85%, the Spin Screed support system's void is so small that simply floating over it can close the void. The Spin Screed support system is made up of a screed bar measured at 1/4 inch by 2 inches, along with yellow or green chairs. To use the Spin Screed support system, first set a string line to your final grade. Use the Mark Drive tool to set your rebar to the proper elevation. Next, follow this by setting the screed chair on top of the rebar and place the bar in between the teeth of the chairs. Note, the yellow chair's 1/2 inch gap allows for 2 screed bars on the same chair, thus bypassing each other, allowing the screed to pass seamlessly from one screed bar to the next. Note, the green chairs lack the 1/2 inch gap but provide a stronger support. The plastic chairs are designed so that the top of the chairs will be 3/4 inches below the top of the finished level. This allows you to leave them in the concrete without them interfering with the finishing operation. After the screed bar is removed, you can fill the void by shaking the bull float, creating an aggregate interlock. For more information about Spin Screed support system, check out our website at marshalltown.com.